Hello guys, and welcome to my quick video here. This video is on just navigating in GetResponse very quickly, very briefly. But if you want to know more, I've got more free training. If you click on the link in the description on a more detailed course on GetResponse and all like the minimum basics you need to start an email marketing campaign and automation and everything. So this is just a quick little video on navigating around in GetResponse. Okay guys, so now you're in GetResponse and this is the overall interface. It's very simple. So you've got your quick actions here. So what you can do, you can move this around, move everything around to have it how you want. You've got your tips and everything. You can add widgets. Sometimes I just remove these, but you can go here and add. And you can be like, okay, add this new contacts form. So it tells you in here. So these are your lists, what you've got. And then it tells you at the bottom who's signed in, who hasn't. Add contacts. Over here, you've got your account settings. So you can manage your account here. You can, and also setting up your email. So you can put it in here. If you ever want email addresses. Yeah, confirmed. Yeah, you can. So this is Gmail in GetResponse is not recommended. It's always good to do your company name here, if because that will be more likely you'll go into the inbox instead of the spam. So a little tip there would be to change your app to a more personalized email. But just for this example, we're using the Gmail. But if you go back to here, this is your main dashboard, so you can move stuff around. And it's not that complicated because all you need to worry about is lists, right? Drafts, which we'll talk about, and here. The only things you're going to use here are email marketing, automation, and integration API. That's only for the start, but we'll go over that. But that's all you're going to use really. Email marketing, automation, and you can use forms and surveys as well. We can go over that, but really these two are your main things you're going to be using. There's nothing else. It's very simple. You know, that's all you need to know, just these two. So overall, that's basically the interface. So it's very simple, very easy to use. There's a chat here if you ever get lost. They're always here 24/7, so you're not alone. But yeah, we'll get more into detail with it and how to create a list and how to link everything together. But in a nutshell, that's all it is really. Very simple. List, drafts, email marketing, and automation. Okay guys, so that's a little brief navigation of GetResponse. But if you want the full course, mini course, just sign up in the link below. You'll come to a page like this, free Clickfunnels and GetResponse training. It's just a little mini course that I've created, which goes in a little bit more detail, and it follows a nice system. So when you click onto it, when you get your email address, just check your email, and in there there'll be a link which will take you directly to the members area, which is here. So this is my little course that I've got, and I've got all the links here for anything you need which is discussed in here in the course. GetResponse, Clickfunnels, Solo Ads, ClickMagic, and there's a Facebook group you can join too. So the training covers Clickfunnels, setting up your Clickfunnels account, creating a simple form with Clickfunnels, importing a shared file, which there's a shared file in there which you can use. GetResponse, setting up your GetResponse account, navigating, which we just went over a little bit, integrating GetResponse with Clickfunnels so you can start collecting leads, how to send emails, how to set up emails, automation, so you don't have to worry about emails, sending them out. You can just be done all automatically. Clickfunnels affiliate program, so how to make money with Clickfunnels. A little explanation on cold and warm traffic, and how to build your email list by solo ads, by paid ads. And there is a email ClickMagic tutorial on how to track your leads, little video on that. So everything is a little mini course with everything to get you started in the email marketing and funnels business. So go ahead and sign up.